Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to enable 2FA on Fortnite. So let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Head to your preferred search engine and open the official website, epicgames.com. Once you're on the homepage, hover over your username in the top right corner, then select Account. On the left-hand menu, click Password and Security. You might get a prompt asking to verify your identity. Go ahead and complete that step. Next, scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. You'll see three options: email, SMS, and third-party authenticator. Choose the third-party authenticator and switch it on. Now open your authenticator app on your phone and enter the 6-digit code it gives you. Then tap Continue. 2FA will now be active on your account. Don't forget to download and save your backup codes in a safe place. They're important if you ever lose access. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.